why we thought is, as this barrier has to be crossed, and many of the patients who were taking consultations earlier from various northeastern states, they are not able to come for routine problems or some emergency teleconsultations, emergency consultations which they were able to come. Now we have thought about is to start this teleconsultation for non-COVID patients. We had COVID patients teleconsultation which was inaugurated by our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Conrad Sangmaji, and now we thought is we also start the on various days the these consultations for various departments. We have listed general medicine, dental, cardiology, orthopedics, psychiatry, palliative care, obstetrics and gynecology, neurology, urology, oncology, dermatology, ENT and ophthalmology. Depending upon the need, we have given more slots for certain specialties because we have observed that these specialties are more often being consulted. So that is why we will be providing the online consultations. This is basically these